Hey you going guys, in this video I'm going to go over sitemaps. Sitemaps are an important part of technical SEO. Sitemaps are essentially what you submit to Google in order to help Google understand how to crawl and find and search a website. So here's my sitemap from my website. Now sometimes your sitemap's automatically generated. I'm with Squarespace, so Squarespace automatically generates a sitemap and updates it. If you're with WordPress, you might need to install a plugin like Yoast SEO in order to generate a sitemap. That's normally pretty easy. And you'll find the sitemap at the URL sitemap.xml on a lot of websites. And essentially, the sitemap breaks the website up into the URLs and the priority of the URLs. So as you can see here, these are all the pages on my website. And essentially Google comes to this website and crawls all of these pages to find the pages on my website. Now, once you've generated your sitemap, and you'll find it here, the next key step is to submit it to Google. And you can do that in Google Search Console. If you haven't registered for Google Search Console, I recommend you do it and link it up. And you can simply go to the sitemap section and submit your sitemap. As you can see, Google will discover your URLs, and you can see it's discovered 120 URLs on my website, which is great. And that's the purpose of setting up your sitemap.